One day, a dove laid some eggs. 3 baby doves hatched from the eggs. The baby doves are very beautiful. The parents are looking after the baby doves. The parents are very happy. They say, "Welcome, little babies." Their eyes are closed. The parents are nursing the baby doves. The baby doves are very small. The baby doves are eating. The baby doves are growing. The baby doves are playing. The baby doves are flapping their wings. The baby doves are drinking water. The mother dove is teaching them how to fly. 1, 2, 3, hurrah! The baby doves are flying. The baby doves are very happy. They are excited. The parents are happy to see the baby doves flying.